Welcome back to another COG Card Breaks video. Snake and Rusty Nuts here.
Hey everybody.
We're ready to open probably one of our most anticipated boxes for us two, I think.
Yeah, well, Snake's been really chomping at the bit to open this 81 Topps.
Yeah, these are kind of turned into sort of some of our favorite looking cards for some reason. It's got some cool, it's got some good rookies, I guess. Fernando,
and Kirk
Gibson,
Tim Raines.
Yep, Harold Baines.
Yep.
But then it's also got the standard, classic guys, the Johnny Bench, the Nolan, the Pete Rose. All cool cards. Second year Henderson.
Oh yeah.
Henderson. Cool, look at that.
Now these have got the gum in them, and we're hoping this has been, of course it was BBC, hopefully it was stored in a dry area, so.
The box looks like it's been through a little bit of wear, so we'll see.
We'll see.
We're ready to go back and forth?
Yep. We're going to do the $5 challenge.
I don't have my $5 on me. You want to do
either, but we'll say we're doing it.
All right, we're doing it.
All right, here we go.
Somebody please send me $5.
Okay. Oh, gosh.
Oh, man, hang on.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Look at this. We got to
show the gum.
I don't know if you guys can see this. It's pretty gross looking. Oh my goodness.
Got a little bit of mildew on it.
All right, cool. Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
You can have that.
I'm going to eat it here in a minute. You give me $5.
Rick Tanana.
Jim Rice.
That's a cool card.
I
no
think
way.
I see something in the back. I think I see. Oh,
no.
Oh, J.R. Richards. We were teased.
Oh my gosh.
Hit and win.
Well, I was sold on that one. There's the Mike Schmidt.
Hey, Mike
That's
Schmidt. We'll pull it out.
I
thought we had a hit right off the bat.
90% sure that's what that was.
Actually, the back card has got a little bit of gum stain on it.
The front card's got the gum.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's got wax on the back.
Yeah, we got wax on the back. It's all good. Well, no, I'm sorry. You're right. It is the back card. Look.
Yep.
Oh gosh.
Oh no. The gum is falling apart.
Oh my gosh. But it doesn't seem to be sticking too bad to the cards, so that's a good sign.
It's because all that green
1981 Topps. Also the first year of Flair and Don Russ entering the fray, right?
Yep.
There's a Mike Schmidt record breaker. You want to pull that out?
Yeah, we'll pull that out.
Jim Morrison again. Oh, I got a Future Stars. Who is it?
Oh.
Ned Yost, Future Star. The baseball hit game. Little John. Man, these are cool cards.
Yeah, they are.
Look at that. Gorman Thomas. Look at him.
For that gum to be in that bad a shape, the cards are in good shape.
They are. Okay.
Let's keep it going here. See what we can get. Try to be careful with that gum so it doesn't make a mess.
Yeah.
Roy Lee Jackson. Of course, Checklist King comes through. Hey, there's a Pete Rose record breaker.
Oh, cool.
Put that to the side.
Man, it's so cool to open these.
Bill Buckner. Max Venable.
Who's that?
Don't know. Just cool.
You done with that one?
Yep.
Oh man. That gum just looks so gross, but they're not too bad. Oh look, the same guy you got. Look just like the Nolan card. That's where you chuck it. Your hat falls off. Ed Farmer.
I thought that was a Harold Baines rookie.
Johnny, eat your oats.
Okay.
Oh,
some good old cards here. Mike Heath, Elliott Maddox. Oh, I got a card sticking.
These cards are really good shape, aren't they?
Steve Kemp, yeah.
Bob Sykes.
Okay.
What's next? The gum
It's looking
is
better.
getting better for sure. Still a little bit nasty on that one corner. Oh, cool.
Tony Pena.
Look at, I think all those guys made it, didn't they?
Yeah, Vance Law.
Vance Law, Tony Pena, and Pascal Perez. Oh, here's the Greg Nettles. Jim Rice. Did you have a Jim Rice?
No.
Phil Garner. Ron Say.
And there's Tug.
Tug.
Tim's daddy.
Right. Tug was the gum card.
Oh, looky here.
Oh, no way.
Yes, right off the bat.
That's a hit horn, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Tim Raines rookie.
Is that cool? That's nice. Let me get that sleeve.
You get that sleeve for me and then give it back to me because
I'll put it on my side.
that $5 challenge is on.
Not yet. Until I get a hit.
There's Jim Bibby.
That's cool. Tim Ruck Raines rookie.
Okay.
And don't forget about Bobby Pate. Oh, that
Gum's
gun looks
looking
good.
better. Okay, we got a hit.
Sorry, I didn't put it in a top loader for you.
That's all right, I got it. So I can put it up on my side.
Oh, Jim Cott. Man, that is separation. Denny Martinez. Oh, cool. There's a Braves card.
Yep.
Bobby Cox is the manager. Murphy's on there, right?
Yep. Somewhere. There was Champ.
Jim Kern. Look at old Ross.
There,
Dang. Tony Perez. Okay. Keep it coming.
I think it's getting better as we go down with the gum and actually the color of the cards.
Yeah.
Tommy Boggs. There's Eddie Whitson.
Oh, cool.
JC, man, we'll put that out the side. I don't have that one.
Oh, saw that.
Saw that Tigers.
Tigers, yeah.
Steve Trout. I wonder if that's Trout.
That's Mike's daddy. Taught him everything he knows. Or maybe it was his uncle. Looks just like him.
Well, he was a pitcher.
Yep. Oh, here's the Phillies team. The cards kind of got brighter here.
Yeah.
Bruce Sutter. There's Dwayne Murphy. That's Dale's brother. Willie Stargell card. Reggie Smith. Man. All right.
Okay.
Might have to catch up a little bit on the hits.
Yep. You're behind. As usual.
Let's see. How many cards are in this set, I wonder?
I'd say
600, 700?
700 probably.
Look at that hat.
Hairdo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. That Pirates uniform. I don't know. I don't know about that, guys.
No, coming off the 70s.
Some of you guys up there in Philly probably love those, but San Diego, they're pretty much back to exactly that, aren't they?
Oh,
Oop, look at the Cubs. They just did.
look at it.
They didn't
Headshots.
have time to.
Yeah,
get
time to
together.
get everybody
No.
together.
Yeah. What are we gonna do? Look at Charlie Huff there. Let's just take the photos that are in the programs and make a card out of it.
Okay. You're just going straight down one side, aren't you?
Yep.
There's Freddie Lynn, All-Star.
Not the All-Star card we're looking for.
Oh, I think I missed one.
What is it?
Ah,
Trevino.
Lee Trevino's brother.
Man, I saw the Astros pitcher the second time they fooled me.
Look at Rich.
It's like a glamour shot. Beautiful flowing hair.
Del Barra. Yogi's son.
Yep. Oh, Dan Graham's got his hat on backwards. Rusty Staub. Bert Hootenanny. Oh, that was the Sensei's Larry Boa. T-Aunt.
Oh, we need to start hitting something here. Dust that hit horn off. Gaylord Perry.
Oh. Man, how old is he at that point?
Bobby Bonds.
Whoa. I've never seen that card, have you?
Nope.
I guess I haven't seen a lot of these cards.
Joe Patini
I
looks
haven't
like
seen old Joe.
looks like an undercover cop. There's a Steve Garvey.
That's cool.
Al Bunbury. Bannister. Nope.
Nothing.
Nothing there. Nothing to see here.
At least the gum's not sticking. Right.
We got lucky so far.
None of those future stars have much of starring futures. Hey,
There's Reggie.
Reggie. That's a hit, isn't it?
Yep. It's a good looking card.
Yep. Okay. Whoa.
We're not quite halfway through. Oh, I got a future stars, but not the future stars I was looking for.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
Man, again.
They're
Did
teasing.
they do all of the Astros pitchers like that?
Don Sutton, Mr. Match Game. They're teasing me with that.
Yeah, really.
Oh, there's Hector Cruz.
Oh, that's the card that's so hard to find in a 10.
There's only one example of a 10 out
Something.
there.
Hey!
Oh, there's a Johnny Bennett.
There you go.
That's a hit. We might have to put that Hector in
Yeah.
to PSA and see.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. Kirk Gibson
Wow.
rookie.
Cool.
Boy, his cut is terrible,
It's a little low.
but it's a hit.
All right. What a pack.
I got all kinds of hits
Woo.
in that pack.
Man.
I am spanking you on the hits.
Yeah, my $5 is all the way down to about $1 left of it.
It's yum.
Dave Skaggs.
I don't know if they're related or not.
Steve Rogers. There's the Carlton record breaker. Why's he got that hat on?
Because he plays baseball.
Yeah, but it's
I didn't see what kind of
batting
hat.
helmet hat kind of. There's Ozzy. That's cool. That's like his what, fourth, third?
Oh, it's a gum card.
Yeah, 70. What is 79? I guess. Is that right?
Yeah. Third year. Keep the hits a coming.
Man. Yeah, I've got a long way to go to catch up.
Yep, you're gonna have to hit some big ones.
Yep.
Keep sticking on me.
There aren't all that many left. I'm probably going to have to hit the Ryan and the Pete Rose and hit the Fernando.
Yep. You could hit another Kirk.
Nullify yours
Yep, nullify it. It wouldn't have to be much better.
to nullify it.
Yeah, just a little bit better centered.
I think I got one right there. Oh, there's another record breaker. Nope. Nope.
No Porter.
These cards look good though, don't they?
Yep. King Griffey
King
Senior.
Griffey. There's Alan Trammell. Oh, is that card worth something? Doesn't look like
I
it.
doubt it.
Seems like I remember having that card for my childhood. It wasn't in that good a shape.
No. Oh.
Oh, again.
Teased again.
Nope. Future stars that didn't have much of a future.
I had no future.
Congratulations on making it to the show, though, guys. Cobra.
Okay.
Yuma.
We're about pretty much halfway through.
Oh, yeah, we're just over halfway here. This video's taking a long time, sorry. We like these cards. I just like seeing them.
Oh.
Nope. Had that one before and that one before.
Oh, you had the same pack.
Yep. Oh, look at the cut on that. Some would consider that a miscut.
That is an error card.
That's an error card. Back in the day, those were hard to. Those were worth some money, weren't they?
Oh, yeah.
They say you won't ever find another one like that. It's a one of one.
Some Reds future stars that didn't make it. Hey, checklist. Finally, I got one.
Send that in.
Oh, Joe Morgan with the Astros. There's a card hiding from me. Dennis Lamp.
Dennis Lamp.
Don't need him. Ah.
Another Alan Trammell.
Oh.
You dropped Toby. Hurrah.
Thank goodness it wasn't somebody good.
Look at that old boy. Gene Richards. Gene Richards?
Don't know.
There's Roy Lee again.
You caught you a checklist.
Keith Hernandez.
Hernandez. Mr. Seinfeld.
Ed Ott. He related to Mel Ott.
They haven't been on the ice.
The Braves. Terry Harper and Rafael Ramirez made it, didn't they?
Future stars on the Astros. Buddy
Didn't
Bell.
recognize them, did we? Nope.
Kansas City. Oh, I thought we had a... Oh!
Bob Horner.
Bob
That's
Horner.
cool.
You want to pull that one?
Yeah. I wonder
Okay.
if that's, what, his second year or something? 4 home runs in one game, right?
That's right.
That's what old Horner was famous for. Did you know that, or are you just agreeing?
No, I knew that. I think we talked about that.
Yeah,
before.
I think so. There's Lamp again.
Oh,
Pete
there's
Rose, record breaker. Same as what you
Yep.
had. Oh, look at that. Another
Hey.
Tim Raines. Oh, I'm catching back up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
you are.
man. Now we're back even almost here.
We'll see who's better here in a minute.
I just need to pull a Dale Murphy. Ooh,
You need to
miscut
pull you.
again.
You're catching up.
Need to pull me that Fernando.
You need to pull you at Fernando or Kirk.
Well, still got to pull a bench or a Pete Rose base.
Oh, that Astros getting me again.
Every time.
Ed Ott, Rich Murray. Hey, there's George Brett.
Oh, that's a hit, isn't
That's
it?
a hit, yeah.
There we go. Good card.
And Eddie Murray.
Finished it off with Eddie Murray.
Yeah, he's gum stained on the back.
All right. Astros future stars. You just looked at those guys, didn't you?
Yeah. Those guys.
Come on, Buddy Bell. He's been playing for about 10 years
I
by
think
now.
that's the same pack I had him in.
Oh, really?
Kansas City, yep. That guy was in there.
Did
in the
you have
Reds,
that?
a checklist. And one of those.
Did you have 6-toe?
No.
Did you have old Dwight Evans?
No. Boy, that's a good cut on that card.
Yeah. Bobby Unser's son.
Don Petrie. Petrie dish.
Yeah.
Tommy John.
His family invented the Petri dish. Whoa.
I hadn't seen that one.
World Series.
World Series, Phillies beat Royals in 6. Dusty Baker.
Oh, there's a
There's
Eck.
Eck. He's a gun card. What is that? Oh, that's his 3rd year.
76, I think.
Yeah.
I
get that confused.
It's hard to keep track of everybody.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, Chinko. I hadn't seen these cards. Have you seen these cards?
Oh.
Ooh. The Braves again. Oh.
Joe Nolan.
Back cut. Dave Klingman. Vukovic. Jim Sundberg. Darn it. Come on. I need some hits.
It's not there. There's Lou Whitaker. Ace Future Stars.
Oh, Johnny Bench.
Record breaker. Got one sticking. Steve Howe.
We need some Dodgers.
Ray
Dodgers
Knight,
Future Stars.
Glenn Hubbard.
Morales.
Morales.
Come on. Give me a hit. Rick waits. What's he waiting on?
Waiting on a hit.
Here's that Royals card again. Is this the same pack you had?
Nope.
Jeff Leonard, he's just like... He's
not
not happy about them taking his time to take that picture. Get this over with, son. Fusco. Bruce Benedict. Oh,
down to 4
come on.
packs. Down to 4 packs.
Gotta get something here. Gotta pull something big out of these 4. Brewers. We need the Dodgers. Yeah, I guess it was Dodgers, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And we need a Nolan.
Anything. See if our luck holds out. We always get a hit at the
At the end?
Hit at the end, yeah.
There it is, right there.
No.
Oh. There's Petri dish again.
And Tommy John. I hit.
Did you have these?
Yeah.
Brohammer. Mario Mendoza. Oh, there's a Schmidt.
Hey.
Sort of something.
2 packs to go. This is my last one. See if I can get me a good hit here.
Come on.
And put
Come
that
on,
$5 away.
Come on, baby. I'm not worried about that $5 at this point. We got to get some hits.
Yeah. Another Schmidt
Another
record
one.
breaker. Get out of there.
Come on. Something in here.
I'm
I'm gonna have to get
Mike
that.
Tyson.
Oh, we're gonna have to get the second box of this coming too.
Oh man, I hope not.
It's not an easy box to find, is it?
No.
Okay.
There's just so many cards in this set.
Yeah. Sweet Lou. Darn.
Nope.
Johnny Bench record breaker again. Barry Evans. Oh my goodness. That's it.
Oh no.
Man. All right.
I mean, it wasn't a total bust.
No, we got we got a couple of Rock Reigns rookies. Good cards.
Yeah. Did get one Kirk Gibson rookie, but pretty bad off center.
Yeah. Other than that, it's good.
And we got some Hall of Famers.
Yep. And some bunch of record breaker cars. All right, that's it. We didn't hit the Nolan we were looking for. We didn't hit the Fernando we were looking for.
We may have to get
No
another
Harold
one.
Baines.
Yep.
Somebody send us another box.
Let us know what you think.
All right, catch you next time.
See you.
Later.